Welcome to Lesson 2, What's in the Air? Have you ever looked at a flashlight beam in a dark room and noticed small particles or specks of dust floating in the air? Or maybe you've seen those same small particles in the air when a ray of sunlight shines through a window. Some of these particles are so small we can breathe them into our lungs. This can make it hard for us to breathe. Small particles, like dust, are air pollutants. An air pollutant is any substance in the air that is harmful to our health. In this diagram, you can see how small dust is compared to one human hair. The blue circles represent dust. Did you know you can fit 5 dust particles across the width of just one hair? Are there particles in the air around your home? Let's find out. In today's lesson, you will make simple particle pollution collectors using these materials. 2 pollution collector patterns. You can also use index cards or paper in place of the pattern. 2 sticky labels or clear transparent tape. You will also need scissors, a hole punch, and 2 pieces of string about 10 to 12 inches long. Watch the video demonstration, then download the activity guide under step 2. Follow the directions to make your own particle pollution collector. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a particle pollution collector. First, you'll need a pattern. You'll also need a sticky label, and if you don't have a sticky label, you can use Scotch tape or masking tape. You will also need a piece of string that is about 8 to 10 inches long. And then, of course, you'll need a pair of scissors, and if you have a hole punch, that can be useful too. So the first step is to cut out your pattern along the dotted blue lines here. Just like so. Now, when you've completed that step, your pattern will look like this. So the next thing you need to do is cut a window inside along these orange dotted lines here, and then punch or cut a hole in the top right here. Now, a really easy way to cut that window is to fold your collector in half like this, and then start cutting along the lines like so. Now, when you've completed this step, your pattern will look like this. So there's my window right here, and then my hole at the top. Next, take your sticky label and you want to peel it off the backing like so. So you have one side that isn't sticky and one side that is. You want to place it along the back of your window here that you've cut out, and you want to make sure that the sticky part is facing towards the front. So here I have placed it on the back, and my sticky part is facing outwards. Finally, take that string and you want to thread it through the hole at the top, like so, and then tie the 2 ends together. You get that even. Tie the 2 ends together in a knot, and this will form a hanging loop so that you can hang it up. Make sure to write your name, the date, and then the location where you plan to hang up your particle pollution collector. So have fun exploring particle pollution in your neighborhood. See what you can catch on your collector. Find a location inside your home and a location outside your home to collect particles. Hang up the collectors in your chosen locations and leave them there for 24 to 48 hours. When you take them down, make some observations. You might want to use a magnifier if you have one available. Record your data in the My Data section of the activity guide and compare what you found at the two different locations. Have fun exploring particle pollution in your neighborhood. And join me for lesson 3, where we will explore more about air pollution.